Hello everyone, I hope everyone is fine and doing well. Today I will let you know about the DAAD Scholarship. In my previous video, I already make it video related to the DAAD Scholarship application form. How you will fill DAAD Scholarship application form. You can watch my last video, then you must need to complete that scholarship application form. When you will complete that scholarship application form, that form is necessary to apply for any program in DAAD Scholarship. You need to take that application form and then your documents, passports, and your degrees, transcripts, proposals, IELTS, TOEFL, what you have. You need to attach all documents in university websites. So today I will apply for one university and I will guide you about it. First of all, I will tell you about this scholarship is available for masters, postdoctorate for 1 year, research grant for 1 year, and full doctorate degrees. There is not postdoctorate degree included in this scholarship. So how much you will get from this scholarship, like stipend? Your accommodation is free and your tuition fees is free. With you also get travel allowance like tickets, and plus you will get monthly allowance for master degree. You will get 934 euro. For PhD, you will get doctor and PhD. You will get 1,200 euro. Let's first we will check some programs. Which program you will apply for this scholarship? Every year they change many programs. Like this year's they available these masters and PhD programs. Like master development economics, they have some a program related to the development cooperation. And next one is engineering and related science, regional and urban planning, agriculture and forest science, natural and environmental science, and medicine and public health. Like they have almost like more than 30-40 subjects, so you can select your subject according to your requirements, like your previous education, and you need to select one majors here, and this one is university name, and this which major is available in English start or German. So you must need to select English start majors, okay? And this one is MSc degree. Like in Pakistan, after bachelor degree, you 16 years of education you can apply for MSc. For PhD, you need 18 years of education, like MPhil in Pakistan and MS from Pakistan or India or any other countries. Okay, so this one is their deadlines. Every program they have different deadline and they have different websites for applying. Scholarship application, the DAAD scholarship application is formed for everyone, but for their websites is different. So today I will let you know about one program I had already selected. Like I had selected this program. So this programs, like I have selected this programs for my applications. There is example, I will give you demo. So this is the programs, because every university for DAAD scholarship they have different criteria. They require IELTS or not, they require English proficiency letter or not. It depends upon program and then university subject requirements. Okay, so these programs I will tell you about. They have foreign applicants. If you are from foreign country, you need to use these websites, okay, for your application. If you're German applicants, you need to use this website for German applicants only, okay. And this deadline is every year this deadline is open February 1st to 31st March if you are applying for self or other scholarship. For German applicants, this is the deadline. And if you are applying for DAAD scholarship, that is just open, it will be open for 2 months, like 1st August to 30 September this year. So it's already open, okay. And this is the documents requirement. You require your CV, your school leaving certificate, your graduation certificate, and your academic records. For this program, they required IELTS 6.0 band and TOEFL 79 points. Your letter of motivations and your research idea, like it will be 2 pages, and what you gonna do in your master research you must need to represent. For this one you need to write about these all things. They are your motivations for your futures, your programs, what you want to, your 3 benefits you need to mention, and your 3 main contributions in your master degree, okay. No, I will give you demo. Like for I am DAAD scholarship applicants, I need to go here. I need to apply according to their requirements. Sorry. So this is the application is open. They requires applicant, then we will go for register online. I already filled some application. This is the application form. I already filled it. Okay, I will tell you what you need to write. So this is, I'm applying for RAM. They have 3 programs for energy. I'm applying for RAM. My topic will be renewable energy. My given name, you need to sorry, my first name is my given name, and my second name is my last name. It must be mentioned on your passport and ID card. Okay, and then your email address, male or female, your date of birth, your nationality, you are single or married, and then if you have married, then you need to mention your children. I'm single, so I married. I written there is 0. Your language scale, if you have IELTS, you need to write it IELTS. When you finish your IELTS exam, and how much band score, 6.5, 0, you can also write it. If you have German language A1, A2, B1, B2, you can write it. Okay, if you don't have, it's okay, because they didn't write it about stars. And next one is your education. Like this is my bachelor degree. I wrote it here. Your bachelor degree, your major's name, your CGPA, your final, how much university have, like 4. Most in Pakistan there is 4.0 and 5.0 full CGPA, right? And what I got 3.5, and passing grade is 2.5. University name is your university you need to mention, when you graduate, your year of graduation, and then is your next like master in engineering. I got electronics degree, power electronics, and my CGPA is 3.44, and full CGPA is 4.0. Out of 3.44 is out of 4.0. Okay, and passing is 2.5. I got degree in 2023 in Pehang University. And then my experience, I mentioned there my experience, like work experience, last 3 experience in orders from most recent to earliest. Like your recently experience, how many years at least for this scholarship you need 2 years experience, because DAAD scholarship they didn't proceed your application if you don't have 2 years experience. If you have 2 years experience, then they proceed your application. This is my experience. I wrote it for 2 years, like 1 year here, 1 year here, and then I need to write my email. That is, I just wrote it demo. This is not my original email, and then I acknowledge, and then I will send it. Okay. So they already sent me email confirmation code. I need to check my confirmation code whether they send me. That confirmation code I receive on my phone. I will check on my phone. So I will write it here, F365, and then send. They just need confirmation. F365, why is wrong? Email with the go ahead send to your email address. We enter into these fields. Okay, I will go back. I need to check maybe some mistakes. There is no mistake. Okay, I will send it again. Oh, sorry, F is small, not big. Yes. So now my application already forwarded to the authority. Like his last deadline is 30 September. So I need to attach all documents and send to this application, because they also need hard soft copy. Okay, must be named according to the following. So I need to write according to the my degree, my transcript, my proposal, everything on that, and send to the application will be processed. So I already submit my application for DAAD scholarship on these programs. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my video. If you need any help like applying in Germany, Italy, especially in China, you can mention in comments. I will try to help you. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.